Looky, looky what I got from Maggie McGee. Maggie, I want to thank you for the explosion from the postman. Everything is beautiful and it smells lovely. These are some curtains. I love this see-through because it's got all these little polka dots on it that I want to use on a cover of a book. Look at that. Look at all them little polka dots. That's beautiful. There's 2 of those. Get that one off. Beautiful, beautiful. And then she bundled it. I wish you guys could smell this stuff. It smells pretty. I don't know what's on it, but it smells great. There's this little doily. And then there's this little one. I love this because of the little cherries. Look at that cherry lace. And here's this table runner, or dresser scarf, I should say. Actually, I'm going to put this on my 1920s dresser top where I have my mannequin at in my bedroom. That's where that's going. And did I have one that matched? Yeah, here's the other little one. I'll put that on my side table. I'll put those up there. And there's this one. Oh, look at that one. That can go on the trunk. These are beautiful, Maggie. I love these. Put that over there. This pink. Look at the pink. These are very pretty. I loved the explosion of fluff. And then there's this one. Look at that. Look at the little lace around the edge. So pretty. So I just wanted to come and share this. It's what I got from Maggie McGee. She's on the page. And she sells beautiful things. And she has a little business that's called Cool and Unusual Fashion. Cow Gal Pal on eBay. So there she is. Maggie, you are more than welcome to post any of your information on here, on my page, and hopefully you'll get some subscribers and some sales. You have a great day, guys. Bye.